great pleasure and deep sense of responsibility that I inaugurate the new governing councils of the Rivers State University and the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education. This occasion is not just a formal ceremony. It is a reaffirmation of our government's commitment to education as the cornerstone of sustainable development and the empowerment of our people. The Rivers State University and the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education both occupy a unique place in the academic and developmental landscape of our state. Over the years, these institutions have produced men and women who have contributed immensely to public service, industry, and innovation both within and beyond our borders. Let me also acknowledge with pride the excellent performance of lecturers from these two great institutions who continue to distinguish themselves at our various state events. Their commitment, professionalism, and intellectual depth have not only brought honor to the universities, but have also showcased the quality of talent we are blessed with in Rivers State. As indigenous universities, they carry the weight of our collective aspirations for knowledge, progress, and transformation. Today, as we inaugurate these new governing councils, your mandate is clear: to provide sound policy direction, ensure accountability in management, and create an enabling environment for teaching, learning, and research to thrive. We are entrusting you with the responsibility to steer the affairs of these great institutions towards greater excellence. The challenges facing higher education in our time are enormous. From the need for improved infrastructure to funding, research, staff welfare, and global competitiveness. But these challenges are not insurmountable. With vision, dedication, and integrity, you can provide the leadership that will consolidate the achievements of the past while opening new frontiers for the future. The state is determined to support our universities with their policies and interventions that will enhance their academic standing, expand your research base, and strengthen your ability to equip our young people with skills and values they need to thrive in the 21st century. In this regard, as the new governing councils, you must ensure that transparency in governance, accountability in resource management, and inclusiveness in decision making. We expect you to uphold the values of integrity, fairness, and service in the discharge of your duties. We also count on you to be proactive, visionary, and innovative in guiding the institution towards greater heights. I urge you to foster partnership with the private sector, developmental agencies, and international institutions to position our universities as not just centers of learning, but also hubs of innovation and enterprise. We must remember that a university is not an ivory tower. It is a living engine of social and economic growth. On behalf of the government and people of Rivers State, I congratulate the chairman and members of these new boards on your appointments. We expect that you will discharge your duties with wisdom, fairness, and unwavering commitment to the progress of our universities. Thank you, and may God bless our efforts. God bless Rivers State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Morning, do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my opinion without fear or favor, affection, or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a member of the Ignatius Ajuru University of Education, Rivers State, except as may be required